Welcome. This is a demonstration of doing rib isolations with stimulation of the superficial spinal nerves. So first, we're going to scrub the entire rib cage. Remember that the rib cage is probably larger than you think. The front is obvious. The back, you're going to go down past your waist, and then also make sure to do the top. This just gives us better awareness. Next, you're going to place your hands on your hips, feet are hip width apart, and we're going to go from side to side. Okay. And you can even see in my demonstration here, I have some hip compensation going on. Super, super average, and it's totally fine. This takes time, practice, and commitment. Okay. Then we're going to do forward and backward, and forward and backward. And then finally, you're going to finish with circles. Make sure that you do the circles in both directions. Um, this helps to create mobility in the muscles between our ribs and our spine. All right. Thank you so much for joining me.